So you don't want to date me?
Oh my, that is, you think that I'm with you? Oh my, that is too good. Well, I mean, it's sad for you, but.
Let me put this away. You idiots will understand. I'm not the damsel in distress. I'm not your girlfriend or the frightened princess. I'm not a little bird who needs your help to fly. Nope. I'm the little bird who needs your help to fly. All these former villains that you see, each of them with shaking knees has knelt before me. So I'm not your teammate or your partner in crime. What am I, boys? She's a little bird who needs your help to fly. Oh, it's magic to watch a planet shrivel up and die. Oh, it's thrilling to be a little bird. I destroy their homes and then I watch them cry.
'Cause I'm the...
Little bird who needs your help to fly.
Oh, my crop! She's not trying to conquer the galaxy so she can rule it. She wants to destroy it! Man, that's evil.
Oh, ain't it fantastic? I see something, I blast it! And let me tell you why!
I've always had a weakness for barrenness and bleakness. I crush all your hopes and then I watch you cry. See, I find this business rather fun. I don't want your assistance or your adulation. I'll vaporize your galaxy and bid ya bye-bye. Why? Come on, guess! Little bird who needs your help to fly. Or, well, princess.